Welcome to the lesson. In this lesson we will create Azure Data Factory resource. Go to the portal.azure.com. Now click here, create a resource. Search for Data Factory. Click on Data Factory. Click on Data Factory. Then click Create. We need to fill all information. Subscription free trial. Resource group, already we created a resource group in the last sessions. ADF Day demo RG resource group, and we should give unique name. ADF underscore demo underscore day. Region select and region should be central. Yes. Version in ADF we have version 2. Click create. Here I want to tell one thing, git configuration. Config git later. We will config git it later. We will configure it later. Select it. Then networking. Let's go ahead with the default settings. Click advanced. Next, tags. We don't have any tags as of now. Review. Now final validation is going on. It will take some time. Now validation is passed. Now click create. Our deployment is complete. Now click on go to resource. So this is the overview of Azure Data Factory. In this ADF we can give access from this item to other person or members using access control. And we can use alerts and metrics, diagnostic statistics and logs for monitoring purpose. Here we can see pipeline runs, how many of them are succeeded and how many of them are failed. We can see all monitoring here. We will check all components one by one in upcoming lessons. Trigger runs, integration runtime CPU, integration runtime memory. We will check all these components in one by one in upcoming lessons. So the main important part one is this one, Azure Data Factory Studio. Launch the studio, click on launch studio. So this is the home page of the Azure Data Factory Studio. Here you can see home and author, pipelines, datasets, data flows, and Power Query, change data capture, pipelines. As of now, we don't have components, so we will check one by one in upcoming lessons. And monitoring, we can see pipeline runs, trigger runs, and manage. Here we can see linked services, integration runtimes, Git configuration, triggers, security. We will check all these components one by one in upcoming lessons. This is the home page of the Azure Data Factory Studio. Azure Data Factory Studio, where we will be creating most of our development. In the home page, you can see ingest data, orchestration data, transform data, and configure SSIS. This is the most important place where we will be creating most of our development part. Now go to the home page. So this was the overview of the Azure Data Factory.